Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today in this video we'll talk about the MAT Management Aptitude Test 2021. Now guys, all those candidates जो prepare कर चुके थे for Feb month exam and those who not got sufficient marks in their attempt, they can bounce back in the May month. And why? Because you wanna enter into the top business schools. As I said in my previous video, there are more than 600 plus top business schools who accept the MAT scores. So guys, if you wanna pursue your masters in business administrations, MAT is one of the entrance exam where you can focus more with respect to all other exams. So if you have given the Feb month exam, as the result is out, now it's time to take a revenge if not clear the exam or if you not got the sufficient marks. Guys, you can bounce back all your strategies with the preparation already done and by adding some of the boosters, because this is the time to add some boosters in your preparation to compensate your overall hard work. So stay tuned with me. So this is our new YouTube channel named Manua MBA Entrance, which is specific to all MBA entrance exams such as MBA CET, CAT, ANMAT, CMAT, MAT, SNAP, IFT, ZAT and others. If you are preparing for any of these exams, guys, you will get the best coaching. Call our board line number 8285814555. So link I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates on this particular channel. So let's move to our main point. What exactly the dates with respect to the MAT 2021 come at the official website. So here it is mentioned the MAT as paper based test. As in my previous video we already discussed PBT, CBT and IBT. You can also give the exam in combinations PBT plus CBT, CBT plus PBT and CBT plus IBT. So the last date for online registration for PBT exam is 24th of May 2021 and exam will be held on the 30th May 2021. And the CBT schedule is the last date for online registration is 7th June, availability of admit card 10th of June and your exam will be held on the 13th June 2021. So these all are the respective dates. Guys, if you have still not filled the application form, just come to the official website, register yourself and start filling the application form for the MAT. So here we have to manage all our strategies, we have to focus on our preparations, and by adding some of the boosters, seriously we can trigger our hard work. So we'll definitely get the good marks and can definitely enter into the top business schools. So let's come at manuaedu.com, then come to the buy online section, click on MBA entrance. Now these all are the respective programs, the full course, book study materials, mock tests and the sectional wise courses. So just click on full course show packages, scroll down. Now here it is the MAT 2021 program. You will get the video lectures plus handouts. Just click on view details. Now in this you will get 293 video lectures and 83 handouts for the practice purpose. So guys, lot of data with respect to the MAT 2021 and it is 100% compatible with the MAT syllabus. With respect to each particular section you will get the number of videos, you can check here. Now this is about the video lectures and the handouts. If you want to enroll for the mock test, because mock test is very important guys, whatever preparation you have done, just start evaluating yourself. So just click on the mock test and here it is the MAT Management Aptitude Test 2021 mock test program. In this you will get 156 topic test and 2 full length mock test. Just click on view details. Overall 158 mock test. Now with respect to mock test you will get overall analysis, and with respect to topic test you will be familiar how exactly the questions are framed, what type of questions are asked, what exactly the content of that particular section once you will give these all topic test. Now if you want to study materials, click on books or study materials, show packages. You can enroll for the non-CAT books, you can also enroll for the e-books. Just click on view details. So these all are the books. You will get quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation and the general studies. The separate 5 set of books. So once you will order, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. Now if you are lacking in any particular section, then you can get the section wise courses here. Separate for GK and current affairs, separate for logical reasoning, separate for English, separate for group discussion and personal interview, which is very important during your selection procedure. Separate for quantitative aptitude and topic wise, separate for DI, DS and DC. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you really want to enter into the top institutes and want to boost your overall preparations, guys, these all are the respective packages. Just add to cart as per your requirement. So guys, this is all from the today's video, all about the online preparation for the MAT 2021. So contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT, interview, all the selection process criterias, and also for the mentorship programs. For online and live class, call on this particular number. You can also call on these respective numbers. So visit at manualedu.com, and for all the exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, link are already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So guys, this is all from the today's video. Thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.